Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I told y'all I was gonna hit y'all with the videos back to back. So as you can see right now, I'm applying Makeup Revolution concealer in I think 12 or 13, and I'm just using that to set my eyes. And I'm gonna take this Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm just gonna buff that concealer all over my lid. Next, I'm going in the James Charles palette, and I'm just taking that yellow shade and I'm buffing it towards my brows, because we about to lay some colors down. Also, you guys, after this video, I'll be dropping another video soon on my AliExpress eyelashes that I love so much. And I also got a Pretty Little Things haul. Next, I'm going in this red shade, and I'm using BH Cosmetics V5 brush. And I'm using that to buff in the red shade right under the yellow. And I'm just doing little strokes of taps and little circles. I love this brush so much. Like, I'm gonna order like about 5 more of them. I have 2, but I'm gonna order like 5 more. Sorry for the blur. I did not realize that my camera was blurring out. But yep. And now I'm just taking my fluffy brush that I use to apply the yellow shade, and I'm just mixing those colors in, or adding the rest of the product that was on that brush to take away the harsh lines. And now I'm going back into my James Charles palette, and I got this angled fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics Rose Gold collection, and I just took that purple shade and I basically applied it right, like somewhat onto the red, and I just kind of blend them together. And now I'm using the red shadow from the BH Cosmetics V5 brush, and I'm just making sure that the colors are seamless and there's no harsh lines. And now I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I took the Makeup Revolution concealer and I applied that on my eyelid just to achieve this look right here. And after I applied the concealer, I kind of let it set for a bit, and then I went back into my James Charles palette and I took that white beige shade and I just applied it right on top of the concealer, and it's giving this cute eye look right here. I don't know the exact name for it, but it's cute. It's cute, y'all. And so, you guys, I did my lashes and eyeliner off camera. And by the way, these are not the lashes that I got from AliExpress. These are just some lashes that I bought from the hair store that I just put on. And I just went in with my NYX Studio Finish primer, and I applied that all over my face. And now I'm going in with MAC Studio Sculpt foundation, and now I'm using ELF blurring foundation brush, and I'm just blurring it out. I'm just tapping it all in. I love that brush so much. And now I'm going in LA and LA Pro in the color Fawn. And I'm just concealing under the eye. And I'm also going under my liner just to make sure that it's sharp and clean. I need to find like a concealer like that dupes. Well, I wouldn't say a dupe. I just need to find a concealer just like Fawn and LA Pro. Just like it. Just so I have something else I can use instead of LA Pro. And now I'm going in Black Opal in the color Ebony, and I'm just contouring. I applied on my jawline and my forehead, and I'm just taking this Ulta Beauty sponge, and I'm just tapping the Black Opal on my jawline to have that sharp cut crease. And now I'm going back in the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush, and I'm using that to blend out my concealer. Also, I let my concealer set on my face for a few minutes before I go in and blend it all out. And I'm just bringing that down like my nose, towards my nose, my smiling lines. And now I'm going in with the same beauty sponge, and I'm just blending out the contour on my forehead. Now I'm going in with Topaz and Laura Mercier, and I'm just setting my face. I'm not baking it, I'm setting it. Well, now I'm kind of baking. But I like to apply setting powder first, just to seep it into my skin, and then afterwards I'll bake, which what I'm doing now. I definitely need to try Fenty Beauty Honey setting powder. I want to try that so bad because I'm running out of the Laura Mercier. But I'm going to buy the Laura Mercier again and the Fenty. And now I went back in my James Charles palette and I took that green eyeshadow and I'm applying that on underneath my eyes just to give like a pop of color. And then I applied J. LaRue and Bliss, and I added like some glitter on top of the green. Then I went in with Anastasia Beverly Hills and I bronzed my jawline and my forehead. And now I'm going in Spark and I'm just highlighting. My cheeks, my chin, my nose. And I had already went in with my MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Foundation powder. I'm just going back in since I highlighted. And now I'm going in Cocoa from Auto Lip Liner, and I aligned my lip. And now I'm going in with NYX Baby Doll Liquid Lipstick. And last but not least, Rose Future from Revlon. And now I'm going in with my Morphe Setting Mist. Spray that all on my face. And there you go. A baddie. A baddie. Yes. I love this. This is really cute. Yes, girl. Let them know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Don't forget. I have another video coming out soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.